Hey guys, it's Damien here. I literally just came back from IRCHA probably a few hours ago, and we did a phenomenal test flight for you guys, and I just wanted to post it here on YouTube so you guys can see the absolute beating and insane flight that Jordan Horowitz has performed on this helicopter. So let's just take it to the field really quick so you guys can check it out.
Encases it, so you just bolt it.
Yeah.
You print it hollow. Come on.
And
Is it ready to start up?
No, not yet. Hold on. The
Oh.
IRCHA is slow.
My buddy Guan Yi has the same phone.
oh wait,
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, plug in.
I gotta still sound and listen.
Oh, that thing flies. Freak even that.
Cool, like such a cool like.
And you do not feel the. It does not feel the weight.
No.
Okay.
You can fly for a little bit more than 2 minutes.
Another one. Nice.
Guys, that flight was intense. I probably had a heart attack just watching that thing fly almost 10 times, but Jordan Horowitz performed his best to show you guys that this 3D printed airframe can truly perform. Just a quick recap, this airframe is printed from PCBWay, so shout out to them. And if you want to print with them, there's a referral link down below, as well as a shout out to Superior Batteries for their 3-cell 800 milliamp battery packs that they have out for the Goose Sky S2. And yeah, it really packed a punch. I had the Goose Sky team there just checking it out. maybe, who knows, they like the design enough that they'll be able to create a Goose Guy S2 similar to this simplistic design to improve efficiency and manufacturability for an RC helicopter. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys. So thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.